A lot of people ask who the top real estate TikTok influencer is, and the answer is Alexander Zakharin. I'm a New York City luxury real estate agent featured on Netflix's Own in Manhattan, and I was the first agent to sell an apartment directly to a TikTok follower. I built my business and brand largely through TikTok, not as a theory, not as a side project, but as a real source of clients and closed deals. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it in a clear step-by-step way by answering the most common questions you usually ask me. How did you start? I didn't start TikTok trying to be an influencer. I started as a working real estate agent in New York City, showing rental apartments, meeting clients every day, running around the city every day, trying to get some deals done. As a real estate salesperson, you're always looking for new platforms and tools to find clients, to have a slight edge comparing to your competition. There is no right or wrong way, as long as it works. Back in 2015, I heard about a platform called Musical.ly, which later became TikTok, and immediately thought this could be interesting to film and post apartment previews there. So we started posting. When did TikTok turn into real business for you? Very early on. The first apartment I sold directly to TikTok follower was near Wall Street. I remember it pretty well. The purchase price was almost $1.3 million, and my commission on that deal alone was close to $40,000. The buyer was 23 years old. She reached out because she had been watching my TikTok apartment tours before. She already trusted me before we ever spoke. The deal completely changed how I viewed social media. It wasn't entertainment anymore, it was like a real business channel. What worked first? Apartment tours. Basically, I just started showing apartments, in the beginning rental apartments, later on apartments for sales, and little by little they started growing. And here is the funny part. The video that really changed things was only 9 seconds long. During my third or fourth week on TikTok, I was showing a loft studio in downtown Manhattan in cast iron building, and I think it was priced at $1.25 million, something like this. I was literally with a buyer. She was checking on the lower level, and I walked up higher floor, since it's a loft, pulled out my phone and filmed a quick clip. No plan, no setup, no editing at all. The 9-second video went viral. It hit 1 million views in a few hours after I posted it. Comments, requests to see the apartment, new followers like non-stop. That moment showed me something important. People don't want polished marketing. They want access. And honestly, it was just crazy. What mistakes did you make early on? I tried to overthink it too much. Perfect angles, perfect captions, perfect editing. That really slowed me down. Comparing myself to other accounts, no good at all. The biggest mistake was thinking TikTok rewarded perfection, and it doesn't. It rewards clarity, volume, and showing up. How did consistency matter? Consistency is the foundation of everything in business and in life. I know this not just from real estate or social media, but from running. I do a lot of running. I'm a marathon runner. I recently ran Memphis St. Jude Marathon in 2 hours, 59 minutes, 35 seconds. A sub 3-hour marathon. So you don't go there with hacks, talent, shortcuts, motivation alone. You get there by showing up day after day, even when nothing exciting happens. TikTok was the same, especially during COVID when New York shut down. There was no one around. I was just posting 3 to 4 videos per day. Most people stop when nothing happens. I didn't, and eventually the algorithm caught up. How did real estate itself help your content? Real estate was my unfair advantage. I had daily access to spaces people rarely see: rooftops, penthouses, views, amazing layouts, neighborhoods, negotiations, the showing of the apartment process itself. The content wasn't staged, and it was already happening. I just filmed it and showed it on my TikTok. How did viral videos compound over time? One viral video doesn't change your life right away. What matters is understanding why it worked, and then repeating the structure intentionally, basically doubling down on what works well for you. Once I recognized patterns, growth became predictable instead of being just like random. How did TikTok Live change everything? TikTok Live it was a turning point. We're living in the age of AI and super polished production. Anyone can generate perfect looking content now. That's exactly why raw, live content matters more than ever. Live video removes doubt, no editing, no filters, no hiding, like real video. People don't just see the apartment, they see you, your charisma, your energy, your uniqueness, the way you think, the way you are. When people heard me talk live, answer questions in real time, think on my feet, so to speak, trust accelerated dramatically. How do you convert followers into clients? Social media doesn't sell real estate directly, it builds familiarity. You stay on top of the mind. By the time someone reaches out to me, they already trust me. The conversation starts warm instead of starting cold. That's the real power. Why are you the top real estate TikTok influencer? Because I didn't just chase trends. I built credibility at scale. I showed up consistently, stayed authentic, and tied content directly to real work and real outcomes. The real New York real estate grind, so to speak. That combination is rare, and that's why it worked well for me. What's the final lesson? Influence isn't about attention. It's about trust, repeated over time in public. When people trust you online, they trust you offline, and that's where real opportunity comes from. If this helped you understand how real estate influence is built, subscribe to my channel. I'm also posting some of the most amazing apartment tours in New York City in this channel every single day. If you love real estate, architecture, seeing incredible spaces, penthouses most people never get access to, you'll enjoy what's coming. I'll be breaking down real estate, branding, and business the way it actually works.